welcome to The Green by Rowland Homes. This is a new one for the channel, so it's really good to see these. These are absolutely beautiful house types. The Green is a development of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom houses with 155 plots with a further expansion area planned. 17 individual house types. This development has got a lot of choice. Welcome to Preston and welcome to We Love New Homes, and we are at a development called The Green by Rowland Homes. We're looking at the developers in this sort of area, and this is one of them. And Rowland are renowned for building traditional style houses, so I'd imagine we'll have the typical 3/4 5 bedroom houses here. Let's go and take a look around. Welcome to Rowland Homes and The Green, and straight away we are off, and you can see the show home there on the right. Now look at these. So we've got a whole row of different house types here, a linear row, but look at them, not one house is the same. Bit of Tudor, bit of brick, bit of tile hung elevation. What a lovely mix of houses. Now you can see they're gone for the sort of smaller detached houses with that integral garage here on this development. Now this development is 155 houses, so it is pretty big, okay? So we're just coming back down. It's very, I think it's may have been being developed for a year now or so, but look at that sort of fringe, that sort of tree line fringe at the to the right hand side. Now, as we come into the development here now, what a beautiful day. Look at those clouds, or lack of them. As we come round this sort of corner to the right, we're on this main road. And then you can see on the right-hand side some of the house types again. They've got quite a few, 17 individual house types here. But like I say, none of them are the same, but they are sort of really traditional looking. And when I say traditional looking, we're talking about those classic 90s kind of looking houses, you know. But I think these look absolutely great. I really like them, and hopefully we'll get to do a little bit more Rowland homes and see some of maybe the bigger house types that they're building on other developments. But got a long way to go on this development yet, so the green has got a number of years left. Now also they have potentially got a chance to build land a bit further on, so they could be on this development even longer. But just look at those on the left, they are so nice. I love those different roof lines, the black garage door, look at the solar panels as well. What a lovely development. I would give this a potential 10 out of 10. I mean, actually look across at the brickwork on that show home there. It's so nicely done. Thumbs up, Rowland Homes. I think you build a fantastic house, and this development is quite hidden away, and I like that about it. Don't forget to join us again for more homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.